Okay, I'm going to show you. I got the air conditioner hooked up perfectly, and we're going to give it a test and see if it runs. I haven't run this since last year, so we'll see what happens. This one can adjust. See what happens, see if it'll run. There we go. So far, so good. And then when you want to shut it off, I have the remote here, but I gotta get batteries for it, so this is how I control it right now. Push the off button, and then it just folds right back down. It's a little bit screwy, the hinges, they're a little bit worn, but it still does its job. Then when it's done, it'll shut off automatically. That's done. Still gotta put the fans up yet. The fans don't need to be tested because they're box fans and those things are pretty tough.